statement afterwards. You guys could just hang on for a minute, okay?
Can we just have, was this
No,
just
no
a
comments right now.
misunderstanding?
No comments right now. We'll have a statement after. Go ahead. Thank you.
Was it a mistake, Jack?
17:30 hours, officers responded to Terminal B, Logan International Airport, for a report of 2 loaded firearms within the checkpoint. TSA supervisor was on scene. Upon arrival, a TSA agent informed the trooper who authored the report that a black duffel bag containing 2 loaded firearms and 2 additional loaded magazines were placed into the X-ray machine. The TSA agent directed the trooper towards 2 parties, asked the male party if he possessed a license to carry, and he respectfully declined to speak without an attorney. The trooper then opened the bag and observed an unloaded black Glock handgun box. It should be noted that there was a white tag attached to the black duffel bag with the words UFC and Jack Jones. Inside the black duffel bag, there was multiple pairs of white socks and other articles of clothing that appeared to be men's clothing. Upon opening the black Glock box, the trooper discovered 2 firearms identified as a Glock 43X 9mm and a Glock 19 9mm as well. Trooper rendered both firearms safe by removing the magazines and locking the slides to the rear. The Glock 43X contained a loaded single-stack 10-round magazine, and the Glock 19 contained a double-stack 15-round magazine. While locking the slides to the rear, the trooper observed both chambers to be empty. In addition to the magazines inserted into the firearms, there was a loaded 9mm 10-round single-stack magazine and a loaded 9mm 30-round double-stack magazine located within the box. After both firearms were secured, it was determined by the trooper via review of the TSA checkpoint security camera that Mr. Jones was in possession and in control of the black duffel bag as he placed it onto the belt of the X-ray machine. That's a reading of the report, Your Honor. So again, that request is just made based on the exposure the defendant
Labeled him a thug with no evidence whatsoever. This is not a situation where Mr. Jones ever wanted to be a thug or thought of as a thug. But because he's a young black man, all of a sudden he's a thug. That's what's happened here. There's no evidence of that whatsoever, and it's disrespectful to Mr. Jones and everyone else, every other black man in America who's young and black, to be called a thug because he happens to be black in this situation. This is the institutional racism that we deal with every day in the court system. There's no indication whatsoever that he was in any way disrespectful. There's no information at all that he was in any way did anything to say he wanted to be a gang member or a thug. He's a young black man charged with a crime. Therefore, he must want to be a gang member. He must want to be a thug. That label